WP Rocket is ranked number 1 by WordPress experts because it comes with more speed optimization features than any other caching plugin. That's why it usually yields better results in GT metrics, pingdom, and page speed insights. It also means you don't need to install a bunch of extra plugins for optimizing Google Fonts, Google Analytics, Heartbeat Controller, delaying JavaScript, etc. Because this premium WordPress caching plugin also helps you to optimize your HTML, CSS and JS files, lazy upload media, CDN content cache, optimize your database, and more. This guide goes beyond configuring WP Rocket settings and goes in depth about further optimizing fonts, third-party code, delaying JavaScript so that you can do stuff like display gravitors, deleting old unnecessary plugin tables, and using prefetching plus preloading. If you still need support, please drop a comment with your GT metrics report URL. Many newcomers are unfamiliar with the tech lingo and can find it difficult to determine which plugin alternatives to switch on. In this guide, we'll show you how to install WP Rocket plugin in WordPress quickly. We're going to walk you through full WP Rocket plugin settings, so you can get optimum output benefits. Here are some popular WordPress plugins are compared. WP Rocket is giving database optimization, Google font optimization, lazy load, minification, concatenation, defer JS loading, DNS prefetching, e-commerce friendly, developer friendly. That are unique features that are only provided by this premium plugin. And always, good thing always pays off. So, this time we are going to optimize this website. Here I am using a simple Astra theme which is already well speedy. Let's check our performance score now. Look, GT metrics performance score is 56, and page speed insight score is 65 in mobile. Let's check the fully loaded time, 3.5 seconds. And total page request is 29. We will reduce server response time too. If you check waterfall, you can get the details on where the speed and load time is spending. In Page Speed Insight, you will find all the facts that are slowing down your website. Let's sweep the GT Metrics and Page Speed Insight tab a corner. Let's log into our dashboard. Click on Plugins, click Add New, and Upload Plugin. I already purchased that plugin. Now I will upload it. After activating WP-Rocket, we will find a sub-option at the Settings menu. Click on WP-Rocket. After activating WP-Rocket, we will see some notification. Just close them. WP-Rocket is now activated and already working for this website. WP-Rocket has already activated page caching by default, but you can change the settings to further increase the speed of your web page. In mobile caching, you'll notice that mobile caching is turned on by default here. However, we recommend you to check the Separate Cache Files for Mobile Devices option as well. This feature enables WP-Rocket to create different cache files for phone users. Checking this option ensures that mobile users have a completely cached mobile experience. Cache lifespan. Cache lifespan is the time you want to store the cached files on your website. The default limit is set to 10 hours, which would work for most websites. I am setting for 5 days. Because normally I write one blog a week. Don't forget to click on the Save Changes button to store your settings. Minifying files using WP-Rocket. All HTML, CSS, and JavaScript settings should be enabled individually while testing your site for visible errors. These are the file optimization settings I use that gave me the best results in GTmetrix, but you should be testing your GTmetrix report to check the impact of each setting. Check all the boxes here, that will combine and defer all the codes from your site. Also, remove white spaces from JS and CSS files. Here is an alert. After each saves, please check your site manually, that if your site faces any issue or not. Yes, my site is okay. Get back to WP-Rocket. Mark check all the rest options now. Let our site check again. Media. Most sites should enable everything, especially in the lazy load settings. If you use embedded YouTube videos on your site, replacing the YouTube iframe with a preview image can cut load times in half since videos are very heavy. Add missing image dimensions. WP-Rocket will add missing width plus height attributes to HTML images, which should fix nearly all specific image dimension errors in speed testing tools. Disable WordPress embeds. It prevents other sites from embedding your content on their site, which sucks up bandwidth and stresses your server. Enable WebP caching if you use WebP next generation images in your working site. Right now I am not using any WebP image, that's why I am disabling this. Preload. You can tell the plugin to use your XML sitemap to build cache. If you use Yoast or Rank Math or any plugin which makes XML sitemap, automatically you will get another option here with that name. You just mark tick here. Mark Enable Link Preloading. Preload fonts. You can put link of your font directory for better user experience. Advanced cache rules. No need to touch here. Jump into database settings. WP-Rocket also makes it easy to clean up the WordPress database. It has very little to no effect on your website performance, but you can still review these options if you want to. You need to switch to the Database tab on the plugin settings page. From here you can delete post revisions, drafts, spam, and trash comments. I don't like to delete these too early. I choose 30 days for safety. I recommend that to you. CDN. WPWiki also provides CDN services that they launched recently. If you already using CDN, you should place the CNAME here one by one. Currently, I have no CDN circ equals vices for this site. So I am ignoring that. Heartbeat. You can click on the Heartbeat API tab to control this feature and reduce the Heartbeat API frequency. WPWiki also comes with some ready-to-install functionality available as add-ons. Take a look at the newly available add-ons to this site. If you use Google Analytics for your site, then you can switch it on. Do the same for Facebook. It actually helps you not interrupt their work by WPWiki caching. You need this add-on to get it running alongside WPWiki if you are using Cloudflare CDN. Simply activate the add-on and press the Modify Options tab. After that, you need to enter your account information to connect WPWiki to your Cloudflare account. Image optimization. WPWiki provides a free but premium worth image optimization plugin for you that is absolutely amazing. I made a full tutorial on that. Just click on the iCart or link in the description to grab it. Tools. Nothing to do with tools but import and export saved settings. Okay, our site is ready for taking the test. Let's check the speed again. I go to GT metrics and page speed. Paste the URL of my site. And analyze. Boom. You will get the result. I sweep to compare. Just feel the performance difference.